Jogo modaka e aluora mar Nam Lolwe e kwayo mondo mi kik lil Nam Lolwe. Regional Inspector of Maritime Authority manoeri migosi Jeremiah Onyango owacho ni chenro mar bero dho wath kata port ma Kisumu gino manomiyo odin apeini mathoth e dho wath koro oseduoko chien lil mar Nam Lolwe. Koloso e kinde romo mar odiochienge adek mar tiego oganda e wirach mar lilo Nam Lolwe, Migosi Onyango owacho ni medruok e tije mitimo e dho wath koro miyo nyaka rid tol e wachno ero mar keto Nam Lolwe obed maber kata maler kinde duto.
Oil pollution response for the Lake Victoria region. As you have noted, there has been an increased activity within the lake. We are now transporting oil from Kisumu jetty to Uganda. The oil terminal in Kisumu is complete. The one in Uganda is nearly completion, and we want increased activity for water transport within the lake region, which we believe is cheaper than going by road. This training is aimed at preparing our stakeholders to be prepared in case there is an oil spill and they have to respond, so that we mitigate any negative effects. It is also meant to train the stakeholders in the oil industry within the lake region on how we can prevent chances of oil pollution taking place. It is going to be a good opportunity for the stakeholders to network and to know each other, so that in case there is an incident, they are able to respond and connect and coordinate in an effective manner. Thank you.
Trailers to do car washing, which was dangerous and was giving me sleepless nights. And since we started work within the port, all the roads have been closed. I hope you are aware. We are only having 2 inlet from Lakeview Hotel and outlet next to the Provincial Commissioner's office. And hence, even if the port will be opened officially, there will be a lot of control that no bad activities are done within the lakeshore of Lake Victoria. I remember again, Kenya Maritime Authority did enhance safety exercise within the lake. It was not only targeting wearing of life jackets, even the people polluting the lake. It's illegal to go and shower in Lake Victoria. It's illegal to take clothes in the house to go and do it directly in the water. This is why our country is now lucky, our region is now lucky, we have Coast Guard, with all agencies incorporated within the Coast Guard setup.